Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome, and if you're returning back, what's up? And if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Like, seriously, what? I need to know, you know what I mean? Anyway guys, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and please hit your notification bell, so with that you'll be informed, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. Okay, with that being said, as you can see me today, I have not put anything on my face. I really want to sit and, you know, chit chat. Anyway, I want to talk to you guys. Like, seriously, I just want to relax and do my makeup. Feeling heat, super duper hot in my studio here. Like, I don't know, 100 lights, so in case if you are hearing any kind of crazy funny noise at the background area, excuse, because I just put on the fan. I can't do with this light. Without this fan, I'm not going to make this makeup to work. So I guess I'm going to be doing my brow now. I don't really know the kind of look I'm going for. I wanted to do kind of purple smoky eye, you know, half cut crease, and yeah, let's see how everything is going. But before I do my brow, I really need to set my face because I'm sweating and I'm oiling. So I'm going to be using the Sacha buttercup just to do that, and I'm using the Zoeva powder brush to do that. I'm going to be filling my brow. I'm going to be using the NYX eyebrow cake powder. This is what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This one a little bit darker. So guys, to clean my brow, I'm going to be using the MAC Conceal and Correct palette, and in the shade dark. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this one right here. This one is NC45. Yeah, NC45. I'm just going to use that to clean my eyebrow. Blend out my concealer. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush, this big round brush from Bhcosmetic. Has no name. I'm just going to kindly blend all this ash line so that my eyebrow will have a little bit of definition. Sometimes I do highlight my brow or top of my brow, sometimes I don't. The reason why I don't apply concealer on the reason why I don't clean on top of my brow sometimes is because I'm just too lazy to blend, and I don't like how it turned out to. So yeah, sometimes I just use my foundation to clean up my upper brow. So I'm done with my brow. I'm just going to go straight ahead and do my eye look, and later I move to my face. Sometimes I do my face before, sometimes I just switch it up now and it depends on the mood I am. Okay, to prime my eye, I'm going to be using the Urbandecay primer potion, and the name is called Eden. I love this eyeshadow primer a lot. It's really vibrant. When you apply this on your lid before you apply your eyeshadow really pops out well. So I love using this stuff right here. And I'm still going to be using the same concealer brush, one I used to clean my brow, just to spread that all over my lid. Palette I'm going to be using today to create this look is a sleek palette. This one right here. I'm using my Gan brush. I got it from Bhcosmetic. I'm just going to use this brush to pack the color on my crease. That is going to be my transition, my first transition color. The key to flawless eyeshadow, or the key to flawless makeup, is you really take your time. Take time to blend. When you don't blend, like, trust me, your eye, your makeup, your face is not going to look flawless. You're not going to look like a slay queen. So I better take that time to blend. At the end of the day, I'm happy with the results. Just take that time. At the end of the day, you'll be happy, like I just said. So now we are done with the first transition color. Yes, I'm done. Today I'm kind of, I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, just accept my attitude for today. I just want to be free doing my makeup, you know. Just be me, you know. Be me, be you. Just do your book, okay? Just do you. So the second transition color I'm going to be using, I'm going to be taking this purple shade right here. This shade. I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm going to be using the same brush. Don't worry if the eye look a little bit messy now. When we about to cut our crease, like cut it with knife, then you know what's good. I'm going to be apply that purple shade. I'm just going to apply that to my outer of my eye, then try to blend it towards my crease area, but not that much, just a bit. So to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow on my crease, I'm going to be taking this Zoeva Luxury Soft Defined brush. It's kind of a round, flat brush. I'm just going to be taking this yellow shade. This one very light. I'm not going to be too carried away. I'm just going to blend out the edges. I'm loving this look already, although I wasn't really sure. I basically want to just do kind of normal purple cut crease, but I'm loving how it's on it. So anyway, let me just stop playing right here. Crease, I'm going to be using the L.a.girl concealer in warm sand. I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. So which eyeshadow am I going to be applying? Anyway guys, I don't really know which shade I'm going to be applying on my lid. I'm thinking, should I apply some of color, one color from this palette, or I use this Catrice palettes? I don't really know. Should I do nude lid, or I don't know. I'm just so frustrated right now. But anyway guys, let me use this Catrice. I'm taking this shade right here. It's kind of peach nude. This shade right here, this one, I'm just going to apply that to my lid. The half lid, I call this shade. The brush I'm using to apply it is the same brush, the one I used to blend in my concealer. It has no name. It's from Bhcosmetic. For my outer corner, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is kind of dark brown, and then take that purple, the one I apply on my crease, dip in. What do you guys think? Comment down below, please. It's beautiful, right? It's super beautiful. I love it. Blend it out. It's I kind of lost the yellow through the process of blending. I'm done with my eye look. As you can see, it's pretty much done, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my eye. I'm going to be using my L.a.girl gel liner. It's from Maybelline. This is the eyestudio lasting drama eye liner and lasts 24 hours. I've been using this gel liner, like you guys have seen me using this a million times, and the brush I'm using to apply it is this eyeliner brush from 6plus. Guys, I'm done with my eye. I'm going to move straight ahead. I'm just going to do my face off camera because you guys have seen me do that a lot. I'm going to be using the Toofaecd Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is L.a.girl. To set my brow, I'm going to be using this Catrice Lash Brow Designer, and this is also for lashes. You can use it for your lashes, you can use it for your eyebrow, and which is the glow. The makeup is not complete. I'm going to be using the Luvia Bhcosmetic Prime Glow Palette. I just got this palette recently. I've not used it, so I decided to try it on camera. The beautiful thing about this palette, the packaging is just so freaky bomb. Check that out. It's so, for the price, it's super amazing. Check that out. It's so beautiful. It's like so, like so, and it's super heavy. Like seriously. Check the shade out, they are just so beautiful in this palette. So I'm just going to be seeing how it looks like on my cheekbone. I need to drink water. First shade I'm going to be taking is bronze, this one right here. I'm going to be taking bronze, baby, bronze. The next shade is light copper. This one right here. The next color beside the bronze, light copper. Oh, check that out. Wow. But don't worry. Hey, I know what you're thinking. Don't worry, okay? Just hold on. Don't judge me because I'm not done yet. I'm going to be lining my lips with this Flormar waterproof lip liner in the shade Cool, Keep in Cool. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Patrick Star Mama Star, yeah, this is how it looks like. Mama Star as well. Just a bit because this lip gloss is really a lot of coverage on this lip gloss. Just a bit, not that much. No long talking, let's get his wig on popping, okay? I hope you guys like it. I love this Luvia Prime and Glow palette. This is so pretty palette. I can't wait to use it over again. I really love the palette. For the price, super amazing. I'm going to leave the link down below, and I think it was even up to 20 euros. I don't know, but I'm going to leave everything in the description box below. All the products I use, everything is going to be down below. Please do go and check it out if there is anything you want to know. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to leave me those good stuff, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. No long talking, you know what to do. Don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Take care, love, ciao. Mwah.